Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video we will be discussing the remaining your survey engineering questions. Okay, so the first part we have already uploaded. The first part you can check out the first part by the link given in the description box. In that part we have solved the survey engineering questions only. 7 to 8 questions were solved. Now in this part we will be solving the remaining questions. Okay, so these questions are all previous year questions of ASTU paper. Okay, which have come in your JLEE questions, okay, which will be important for your 2020 exam also. Okay, so let us start off with the first question. See what is given in the first question. During leveling, if backside reading is more than foresight, okay, we know this is under your leveling chapter. Okay, so in leveling, when we take levels with the help of the staff, the first reading we always take on the benchmark. That reading is known as the backside reading. Okay, let us first draw the diagram. Okay, say this is our dumpy level. Okay, so what is it saying? During leveling, if backside reading is more, so let us draw the backside reading here. This is my staff, this is the benchmark. So this distance will be my backside reading. Okay, so it's saying that backside reading is more. That means this distance is more than the foresight, and foresight we take on the forward distance, so it has to be less. So the ground elevation has to be higher. Okay, so this is point A where we have taken our staff, and this is the foresight or FS. Now this distance, FS distance, is less than backside distance in case when the point A is at a higher elevation than point, say this point is B. Okay, so the backside is at a lower point. The backside is at a lower point. Okay, so the option B will be the correct option. Yes, because A is at higher position than B, because the backside reading is more than the front side or the foresight reading. Okay, I hope you have understood the question. So let us go to the next question now. The correction for sag in case of linear measurement by tape is, okay, so this is from the topic of tape corrections. Let us discuss all the corrections which are in tape correction. First one is your temperature correction. So what is temperature correction? It is denoted by CT. It is alpha Tm minus T naught into L, where alpha is the coefficient of expansion, Tm is the measured temperature, T naught is the standard temperature at which the chain is standardized, and L is the length of the chain. Okay. Number 2 is your pull correction. Pull correction is represented by Cp, which is equals to Pm minus P naught divided by A into E into Pm minus P naught into L. Okay, so the third correction is your slope correction. Slope correction is given by Ch, which is equals to h square by 2L, or also L minus L into 1 minus cos of theta. Okay, and then it is sag correction, which have been asked in your question. Sag correction is equals to Cs W square L upon 24 N square Em square, where W is the total weight of the chain or tape, L is the length of the chain or tape, N square is the number of spans, and Pm is the measured pull. Okay, this value is always negative. Okay, also the slope correction is always negative, so these two values are always negative. And the pull correction may be positive, may be negative depending on the measured pull. Also temperature correction may be positive or may be negative depending on the measured temperature. Okay, so for the current question, this correction for sag in case of linear measurement by tape is always negative. Sag correction is what? It is always negative. Next, see কি দিয়া আছে the sensitivity of bubble tube can be increased by okay so আমি theory to চাই লওঁ কি হয় sensitivity কি প্ৰকাৰত এফেক্ট কৰে চোৱা sensitiveness of a bubble tube depends upon the radius of curvature তাৰ মানে larger the radius greater is the sensitivity এটো এটা পইণ্ট হ'ব diameter of the bubble depend কৰিব larger the diameter greater will be the sensitiveness okay next length of the bubble larger the length greater is the sensitiveness next viscosity of liquid যিমান বেছি হ'ব viscosity যিমান কম হ'ব sensitivity হিমানে বেছি হ'ব তাৰ মানে inversely proportional বাকি একেটাৰ লগত কি হ'ব directly proportional কাৰ respect of radius respect of diameter respect of আৰু length respect of আৰু viscosity respect of কি হ'ব inversely proportional okay so question to চাইলো আমি কি দিছে so sensitivity of a bubble tube can be increased by okay increasing the viscosity no viscosity lot কেনেকৈ আছিল inversely proportional so sensitivity increase কৰিবলৈ হলে আমি viscosity কি কৰিব লাগিব decrease কৰিব লাগিব next one decreasing the diameter নহয় because it is directly proportional আছিল so diameter আমি increase কৰিলেহে sensitivity increase হ'ব increasing the roughness of the wall tube এটো আমি ডিসকাস কৰা নাছিলো but এটোও নহয় because ইয়াৰ লগত কি হয় inversely proportional হয় next is increasing the length of the bubble so this will be my correct option because it is directly proportional to sensitivity of bubble tube so option D will be your correct option okay next question next one ki diya ase the plan of a map was photocopied to a reduced size such that a line originally 100 mm measures 90 mm the original scale of the plan was 1:1000 the revised scale is okay ta mane ki eta plan asile okay tak photocopy kora hol and it was reduced plan to ki hol reduce hoy gol so eta line je plan out original plan out 100 mm asile ইটা হি ফটোকপি কৰাৰ পিছত কি হল 90 mm হৈ গল আমি জানিকে জেৰক্স কৰো তাত কি হল অৰিজিনাল লাইনডাল যিমান লেন্থ আছিল তাতকে 10 mm লেন্থ কমি গল অৰিজিনাল প্ল্যান স্কেল কিমান দিয়া আছে 1:1000 আমাক উঠিছে ৰিভাইজ যিখন স্কেল হ'ব কিমান হ'ব সো আমি জানো ৰিভাইজ স্কেলৰ ফৰ্মুলা কি হয় revised scale is equals to shrinkage factor into original scale এই ফর্মুলাটো মনত ৰাখিবা বহুত ইজি হৈ যাব shrinkage factor মানে কি কিমান shrink হল 90 mm হৈ গল কিমান আছিল actually 100 mm আছিল ঠিক আছে that is your shrinkage factor and original scale is 1/1000 so your answer comes out to be 1/1000.11 okay so we can write it as 1111 so this will be your correct option so swa kiman option D is your correct option next one ki said the combined correction for curvature and refraction is given by okay so combined correction ami janu correction keta type or thake corrections are of two types ki correction lagao ami first correction is due to the curvature of the earth curvature karone correction lagao curvature correction ki hoy it is denoted by C which is minus 0.0785 d square ठीक है this value is in meter but d is in kilometer etu monot rakhibola kotha and this value is negative okay this correction is negative correction also you can write it as d square by twice r where r is the radius of the earth so next ki hobo next is the refraction correction refraction correction ki hoy we denote it by CR which is 1/7 of the curvature correction that means it will come out to be 0.0112 d square now this value is positive so total combined correction ki hoy jabo total combined কাৰেকশ্যন দুটাকে এড কৰি দিম আমি কিমান কিমান এড কৰিম 0.0785 d square plus 0.0112 d square. So CC रे denote को हमें combine correction हो so it comes out to be negative 0.0673 d square. ठीक है सर this value is always negative value पाऊँ हमें and this is in meter but d will be in kilometer d तो हमें किलोमीटर लोगों ले वो मनोत रखी हुआ होता है next question हुआ की दिया से if the whole circle bearing is 210 degree 10 minutes then quadrantal bearing same question आपको वही से हुआ 2012 ठीक है okay so let us draw the diagram now so this is north east west this is my south so एखिनि किमान 90 180 270 210 বুলি কৈছে 210 degree 10 minutes so ইয়াত কভাৰ হ'ব লাইন আমি এবি ৰে ডেজিগনেট কৰি দিও কিমান দিয়া আছে এংগল টু এই পুৰা এংগল টু দিয়া আছে আমাক ৰাইট কিমান কৈছে 210 degree 10 minutes okay so हुदिसे कि quadrantal bearing আমি জানো কোপা মেজার কৰিম আমি from south up to the point up to the line south or পৰা মেজার কৰিম আমি up to the line ঠিক আছে so ইয়ালৈকে আমি জানো কিমান হ'ব ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়ালৈকে কিমান হয় সৰি ইয়াৰ পৰা ইয়ালৈকে কিমান হ'ব 180 হয় মানে ইয়ালৈকে সাউথ হলৈকে 180 ডিগ্ৰী হয় তাৰ মানে থিটা কিমান হৈ যাব 210 ডিগ্ৰী 10 minutes minus 180 degree 0 minutes so it will be 30 degree 10 minutes and quadrant ki hobo so south west quadrant so south 30 degree 10 minutes west so konto option hobo so option A will be your correct option okay I hope this is clear so we have come to the last question so this will end your survey engineering questions in the next part we will start with the highway engineering questions okay so thanks a lot for watching the video hit the like button if you like the video share the video with your friends and family subscribe to our channel and press the bell notification button for further updates thanks a lot from team CSL thank you